Here is a Nissan Versa. Now the process is the same for the driver and the passenger side. I'm just going to show you on the driver's side. That's the bulb there. I'm going to show you what the view looks like when I'm working on it. We need to get out 3 screws. For that you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver. It has to be a small one or else a long one will not fit over there. Let's go ahead and get 3 screws out. This is the first one. Second one's right over here on the edge. And then the third one is right over there. 1, 2 and 3. That one. Let's get these 3 screws out. This will let you peel this plastic layer back and out. And now you'll have access to the bulbs. Now that's the bulb holder for the daytime running light. Just grab it and then twist it left to loosen it. It may be a little bit tight, so be patient. It may take a few seconds before it's loose. And at this point you can just grab it and get it right out of the light. At this point just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. It may take a few seconds and you may have to wiggle the bulb to get it out, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 7440. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now let's put the bulb holder back in the light, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. Good. See how it just goes in? That's what you want to see. And at this point just twist your right to lock it in place and you are done. Now if your clips fell off, just put it back on the way I'm showing. Light it up with the holes over there. Put everything back in place. And then just tighten the 3 screws one by one. 2 and 3, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.